In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this art math question together. Alright, so let's get started. Let's look at the question and see whether it's something we need a calculator to solve faster. So the question says, Tilly earns $P for every W hours of work. Which expression represents the amount of money in dollars Tilly earns for 39 W hours of work? So guys, this kind of question, we don't need a calculator to solve it. It's just simple logic and common sense to identify the right answer. So looking at the nature of the question, this shows us that the currency, which is the dollar, here is proportional to the hours of work. So if Tilly earns $P for every W hours of work, now Tilly will also earn $39 for 39 W hours of work. So the right answer to this question is option A. Okay, so the earning is proportional to the hours of work. Alright, so that's the idea behind this question. The right answer is option A. So that's how you can deal with problems like this. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's get the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So now share and comment on this video to me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you don't have any specific question asked regarding my explanation of this question, feel free to request a comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also, you share part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information how to solve what a math question will be meeting. Okay, so having done this, click on the next button. I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.